How to play Roblox without downloading it. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can play Roblox without having to download the app. So before we begin, and before I teach you guys how you can do that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your web browser. Now, after you've done that, simply search for Roblox. And you'll find a website called roblox.com. Head over there. And after you do that, it will take you to Roblox right here. So from here, you can sign up and start playing it on your web browser itself. You can tap on the login button on the top right. And after you do that, use your usual Roblox account and password. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your account. Then from here, you can start playing your Roblox like you'd normally do. And you don't have to download it as it is, it is a web-based platform right here. This is the website, you can play it from here. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you play Roblox without having to download it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.